Okay, so when we are translating sentences into equations, there are some words that need defining. So the words for addition are sum, increased by, plus, more than, and total. Some words that mean subtraction are difference, less than, subtracted from, minus, decreased by. Multiplication, the words are times, product, twice, double, and of. Division is divided by, quotient, half, 1/2 of, separate. And then you also need to know when to add parentheses. So you add parentheses when you see the words times the sum of, or times the difference of. And then turnaround words are less than and subtracted from. And what these words mean are when you see something like 7 less than K, that means you're going to turn this around. You're going to put K in front minus 7. So that's going to be backwards, K minus 7. Same with subtracted from 8, subtracted from X. X goes in front, X minus 8. And these are all the notes that we have for translations.